Welcome to this episode. Today, we're diving into something called vibe coding. Have you heard that term much?
Yeah, I have. It's kind of this creative, fluid way of coding, right? Like, not about building huge apps, but more about small experiments or digital sketches.
Exactly, it's almost musical, people say. But here's the thing a lot of folks get excited about vibe coding. Then they ask AI for help, and suddenly they're swamped with frameworks, tutorials, tool chains. It's overwhelming.
Uh-huh.
And that's the first big mistake. Vibe coding isn't about tools first, it's about direction first.
That really hits home. So before you even open your editor or ask AI for code, you need to frame your problem clearly.
Right, like instead of saying, teach me coding or build me an app, you say something like, this is an exploration project. I want to build a small interactive web page that reacts to keyboard input.
Mm-hmm. It's like setting your destination before a road trip. You wouldn't just jump in a car without knowing where you're going.
Exactly. That clear, bounded intention keeps vibe coding creative and prevents chaos.
So once you've framed the problem, what's next?
Then you ask AI with constraints, like, give me the simplest HTML and JavaScript example that reacts to keyboard input. No libraries, no frameworks, 30 lines max.
That's smart. It keeps the AI's output manageable and focused.
Yeah, and you can refine it further. Ask AI to explain only what you need to modify. Keeps the scope small so you don't get overwhelmed.
I like that. Momentum is key in vibe coding, and momentum needs simple, bounded outputs.
Totally. But here's where most people trip up. They let I choose everything. Stack, structure, design, direction.
Uh-huh.
And then they say I'm coding. But really, judgment is the coder's responsibility.
So you have to ask yourself, does this code match my intention? Is it readable? Can I explain it? Would I be comfortable modifying it tomorrow?
Exactly. If not, simplify further. The responsibility anchor is this idea that AI expands options, but you select direction.
That's a powerful reminder. You're not outsourcing your thinking. You're shaping the output.
Right. The moment you can't explain your own code, you've crossed the line.
So you decide how complex it gets, when version 1 is enough, and when to stop.
Yeah, and to put this into practice, think about the smallest digital idea you've been putting off, because it feels too technical.
Then try this prompt. Help me build the smallest possible version of this idea. Limit to 40 lines. No frameworks. Explain only what I must change.
And ask yourself, if AI disappeared tomorrow, would I still understand what I built today?
That's a great litmus test.